Hi, boys and girls. You're going to work on your Smarty Ants assignments today. So if I look on our activity list, I see, complete the Smarty Ants assessment, go to My Pasco Connect and click on the Smarty Ants icon. Well, I know that I can do that, but I also have this magical button. Yes. And so I'm going to click on Smarty Ants. And I know that it looks like a little square that has an ant on it. He's so cute. And I'm going to come to my dashboard here and I'm looking for Smarty Ants. Oh, here it is. You know what though, boys and girls? Some people might not have Smarty Ants, and that's okay because there's a box right here and it is your search box. So I can type in Smarty, S-M-R-A-R-T-Y. Hey, there's Smarty Ants. It's right there. So I'm going to click on Smarty Ants. And it's going to take me to, Aria's first page. And it says start the game. Oh man, look at how Aria has her little person all decked out in her awesome costume. Oh, I really like that. So she's just going to start the game and she's going to work through for, I forgot how long I need to work on this. Let me go back to my activity list. I need to work on this for 15 minutes. That's right. So whenever you're done with your Smarty Ants, you can go ahead and stop, go back to your activity list, and go on to your next activity. Good luck!